Alright guys, so I have everything masked off, whole front hood, everything that's gonna get painted inside. I'm just gonna put some plastic over all that stuff so that nothing flies out, and I'm gonna start washing it right now. I cleaned the bug. That's what it's looked like inside. I'm already painting it. It's looking really nice, and I'll get back with you guys in a bit. It's just a quick update because right now I'm just doing light coat. Well, I did a light coat earlier, and then I'm doing another coat on here, and I'm gonna get back with you guys in a bit. It's looking really nice. I'm really happy about it. Start painting a little bit on the doors. Inside's looking fucking nice. There's still some paint drying, so I put a little bit on the doors. Then I'm gonna go in a heavy coat so that it can stick well, but I'm loving it. Everything's looking really nice. Better than I expected, and I need some better lighting, so I might go see if I get a light. The whole bug is basically painted. Alright guys, so the bug is basically done all around. It looks better than what I thought. It's probably better than what it would have came out. I mean, honestly, it came out good for the first time ever painting. A lot of struggling with runs and all that stuff, but I mean, it's pretty thick paint. I'm gonna give it a wet sand once everything's dried up. Roof is really good, laid out really nice. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied with it. And I'm gonna paint these probably black or gray. I think I might do black, or maybe something like so it can match this original creamy color. But right now I'm just putting these little trims back on. I'm gonna put this one back in. So I started putting on the knobs, put them on, painted that black, looks really nice, and gonna put that one on later. I'm gonna put the speedometer chrome, and then start going with all these little other things. Probably put the front glass window pretty soon, and start putting most of these things back together. So I got myself a rattle can Rustoleum smoke gray, which is the color I'm using on the paint job, and just touched up a little bit right here on the door. You could barely even tell a difference. I did a little touch up on the shift knob, also on the ashtray cover, and then the ashtray. Alright guys, so this is my little tent so I can paint. I'm gonna wet all the floor down, and I'm gonna paint the fenders right now, so I'm excited. Show you guys in a bit, show you guys how they come out, and hopefully they don't get messy in this tent. So I'll get back with you guys in a bit. Peace. Alright guys, so I did a lot. Put the door handles on. They're really nice, they close. Everything's nice. Bought new seals for the trim all around. I was just gonna leave it like that, but I want to put the seals back on. I want to put the chromes back on, so I put those on. Put a little bit of polish on them all around. I still need to buy a few more clips for the trim, but all around it looks really nice. I ended up repainting the whole bug again because I didn't like the way the first color was looking, and I put another one that has a gloss to it, so this one looks a lot way better. I like it. Laid out really nice. So now I'm gonna delete the rear apron. Gonna take the fenders off. They're only holding by 2-3 bolts, but I'm gonna move it real quick and I'll get back to you guys in a bit. So I got the rear fenders off. What I'm gonna do is remove these tack welds, these little points, remove all of them, and should be easy to come off, hopefully. Alright guys, so I ended up removing the apron. Let me know what you guys think. I think it looks nice. I'm gonna have to paint this right here so that it can match everything. Other than that, I ended up cutting the exhaust. I'm gonna weld it right now. That's how it's gonna be. I would show you guys the other one, but that one's ugly. Not gonna show you guys that. And right now I'm just gonna weld it, and then I should be done with the manifold. And after that is just start installing other bits, trim pieces and everything, and then go from there. And then I should be able to drop this thing right about tomorrow, which will be included in this video, so stay tuned. Hope you guys have been enjoying this whole process. I really love the paint. Turned out really good for my first time ever painting, but I mean, little by little I'll probably start learning more. I'll get back with you guys once that's fully welded and show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, so I finished the whole weld, and now it's time to fix a fuel leak that I have right here. Just noticed it, probably for sitting in there too long, but we'll see what I do with that. Now tomorrow is the next. Tomorrow I'm gonna lower the back probably 2 inches, which will be probably down to here. That's a lot from the fender to the wheel, so let's get rid of some of that wheel gap.